What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. Now, market manipulation has been a hot topic the past few months, and I wanted to do a video dedicated to it to give my thoughts on it, explain it a little bit for people who might not really completely understand it, and just kind of give, make a video on it, just give an explanation. Now, market manipulation is a very broad topic because it's not something that's new. It's not something that is brand new and only affects cryptocurrency. You could say the stock market's manipulated because the Federal Reserve controls interest rates, and if the Fed decides to raise interest rates, it could hurt the stock market. If they decide to artificially lower interest rates, it could artificially help the stock market, create it to be overvalued, then FOMO occurs, more investors put in, and it becomes a bubble, and it pops, and we have a recession. So you could honestly say the stock market's manipulated. You could say there's penny stocks that are manipulated, and there are people who say cryptocurrencies, there are manipulation at play. Now, my thoughts on this is kind of in the middle. I don't think the entire cryptocurrency market is manipulated, but I also don't think there's zero manipulation. Personally, manipulation is more likely to occur in small cap coins, and that's for a mathematical reason. Simply put, all prices are determined by supply and demand, and if a coin has a small market cap, it takes less money to influence the price, right? If you have a coin that's only $1 million market cap, if a couple people each having 20, 30, 40 grand, combine their influence, and they have about, I don't know, 100, 200 grand worth of capital that they could use, they could have a huge influence on the price. They could make the coin go up 20%, go down 20%, depending on if they're buying or selling, right? Now, if a coin has a lot larger of a market cap, millions, billions of dollars, it takes more money. It takes more money to influence the coin's price. It's just mathematics. It's just how mathematics work. So cryptocurrency manipulation is different than stock market manipulation usually, because cryptocurrency manipulation, it's more so people coming together, combining their capital to have an effect on price, whereas stock market manipulation is more so through central banking. Okay, so I would say cryptocurrency, even though there is some manipulation, it's not as bad as the stock market. And I'm not saying you shouldn't have any stocks. You should always have a diversified portfolio. I'm just saying that, keep a lookout, right? Keep your eyes open, look at what the central banks are doing before you put money in the stock market. Now, that's just my opinion. It's just my opinion. So, moving on more towards cryptocurrency again, manipulation is something that isn't technically illegal because cryptocurrencies are not regulated. So that is, I guess you could consider that a downside. However, the fact that it's kind of hands off and more laissez-faire means that it's not going to be as, there's going to be more innovation. So there is a trade-off of that. It's not all con, there's pros and cons on the majority of things in life. Now, are we witnessing cryptocurrency manipulation? I think there definitely might be some. I don't think we could blame the entire bear market on manipulation, but I do think there is definitely some manipulation, some big players who are dumping Bitcoin at strategic times to really hit the price, to come back in at a bottom, get more of it, and get it, and then the price goes up, it pumps, and they dump it again, and it keeps going. But here's the good news. It can't go on forever. Eventually, everyone gets caught, so to speak. The markets catch on. Manipulation cannot occur forever with cryptocurrency. With the stock market, it can, because that's the government, that's the banks doing it. But with cryptocurrency, where you just have rich individuals doing it, it can't occur forever. Eventually, it will have to stop, and the pressure will give. So that is a good sign. Now, again, as the whole market goes, I would say in top 100 cryptocurrencies, top 100, there is mild manipulation. Mild, okay? Meaning certain coins might get a little bit manipulated strategically. If they're already going down, maybe they dump more. If they're already going up, maybe they pump more, right? But mainly in cryptocurrency, the majority of manipulation is going to occur on the small cap coins. That's why you have Telegram groups for pump and dumps. Do not join them. You will lose money most likely. Where people get together, each having a few grand, right? You get 100 people, each have $1,000 bucks. You have $100,000 worth of working capital, right? And then they go and pump things up, and people see it on CoinMarketCap. Oh my god, this coin, let me just buy into this coin because it just went up 20%, and FOMO occurs, and then the people who originally pumped it dump it, and then other people are holding the bag. And yes, the people who are holding the bag could still make money if that coin does go up eventually anyways. However, it's still a form of manipulation. So what do you guys think? How much manipulation is at play, and which players are most, I guess, more manipulated, if you will? Comment your thoughts below, share the video, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.